Hey folks, technology has evolved a lot, and we have so many options to choose these days, which has become a difficult task. But do not worry, we have crawled up a list of the best 6 products which will help you choose the right one. March over to the description for more info and the latest pricing. All-Clad SD700350. This pick from All-Clad is a full-size slow cooker that features 4 convenient cooking modes for preparing various home-cooked meals on any schedule. Designed to cook low and slow for up to 20 hours, this model holds up to 7 quarts of food, making it convenient for larger meals and offering decent surface space to ensure even cooking. The lightweight aluminum insert heats up quickly and can be used on a stovetop. The stainless steel lid retains heat and moisture to maintain your food's flavors and texture. The slow cooker also features built-in handles that make it relatively easy to take your slow cooker from countertop to tabletop, doubling as a serving dish. The All-Clad Deluxe Slow Cooker offers several different cooking modes: high, low, browning, steaming, and rice cooking. A convenient keep warm function automatically kicks in when your food is done cooking, keeping it warm for up to 6 hours. When ready to clean, simply rinse off the aluminum insert and stainless steel lid and place it in the dishwasher. Remember that this slow cooker is on the larger side and takes up a lot of countertop space. If you have a small kitchen, you might consider storing it away when not in use or purchasing a smaller option altogether. Because of the stainless steel construction, the lid handle on this slow cooker can also get pretty hot. You'll want to put on oven mitts before handling. Hamilton Beach. This slow cooker checks all the boxes on your wish list. It can be programmed or operated manually. There's a temperature probes to check the temperatures of your food as you cook it, and at 6 quart, it's the perfect size for certain uses. When the cooking time or temperatures is reached, the cooker can even automatically switch to a warming setting for up to 2 hours. Cooking time maxes out at about 12 hours, not including the additional 2-hour on warm modes. There are 3 settings total: program, which allow you to set a cooking times, probe, which uses the temperature probe to determine the doneness, and manual, which lets you set high, low, or warm temperature without setting and cooking time. We were rather impressed by the ease of use. As the name implies, you can set it and forget it. Not a single dish had any hot spots. Everything came out evenly cooked into Crock-Pot SCV700-S-BR. You might be able to find a cheaper slow cooker, but you won't find a better bargain than this Crock-Pot 7-quart manual slow cooker. While it doesn't quite have the bells and whistles of other slow cookers on this video, it even has everything you need for a classic slow-cooked meal. A temperature-retaining stoneware crock that's oven-safe up to 400 degrees F, and 3 manual temperature settings: low, high, and warm. This is the ideal slow cooker if you're looking for something simple and don't want to spend a big sum. It's also great for first-time homeowners looking to set up their kitchen. Bonus: it makes a great backup slow cooker if and when you upgrade to a newer one, and every home entertainer knows there are times when you could use a spare slow cooker or two. The temperature is perfect, and instructions in the box say how to set it up and use it. It is affordable for its high quality. Hamilton Beach 33869. The Hamilton Beach Portable 6-quart set and forget digital programmable slow cooker with lid lock, temperature probe, and defrost setting, model 33869 Pro, is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance designed to simplify your cooking process. Here's a description of its features. This slow cooker offers a spacious 6-quart capacity, allowing you to prepare meals for large families or gatherings. The digital control panel provides easy-to-use programmable settings. You can set the cooking time, duration, temperature, and choose from different cooking modes to customize your recipes. The built-in temperatures probe allows you to accurately measure the internal temperatures of your food while it's cooking. This feature is handy for cooking meats, ensuring they reach the desired level of doneness without overcooking. The slow cooker's lid features a secure locking mechanism to prevent spills and leaks during transportation. Ninja MC1001. The Ninja MC1001 Foodie Possible Cooker Pro 8.5-quart multi-cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that offers a range of cooking functions in one device. Here's an explanation of its features in 159 words. The Ninja MC1001 Foodie Possible Cooker Pro is an 8.5-quart multi-cooker that combines the functions of an 8-in-1 slow cooker, Dutch oven, steamer, and more. It comes with a non-stick oven-safe pot that can withstand temperatures of up to 500 degrees F, allowing you to use it for various cooking methods. The multi-cooker features a glass lid that allows you to monitor the food as it's being cooked. It also includes an integrated spoon for added convenience, making it easy to stir and serve your dishes. Better Chef. The Better Chef Oval Slow Cooker is a reliable and convenient kitchen appliance that helps you effortlessly prepare delicious meals. With a capacity of 3 quarts, this slow cooker is perfect for small to medium-sized families or cooking smaller portions. Featuring 3 temperature settings, low, high, and keep warm, you can easily adjust the heats according to your recipe's requirements. The low setting gently simmers your food for an extended period, allowing flavors to develop and ingredients to become tender. The high setting cooks your meals faster when you're short on time, while the keep warm setting maintains the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.